Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can deposit money on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you're already on the MEXC official website. And once you're here, you will just have to click this login button right here and, of course, fill in your credentials and make sure that all your credentials are correct so that you will be able to successfully log in. And once you're logged in, you should see your wallet here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So you do have to make sure to actually explore the website so that you will be able to see that. So once you click your wallet, you will just have to go to the deposit section and then you will choose fiat or crypto and select currency. For crypto, you will copy the deposit address and you will send from your external wallet. For fiat, you will select the payment method and then you will enter the amount and follow instructions. And funds appear instantly for crypto, and fiat may take a few minutes. And by the way, you should double check addresses and payment info to avoid errors. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.